Assalamu alaikum. Student mathematics class 10th science group. Miscellaneous exercise 7's MCQs and fill in the blanks are going to be solved. So first one, the the union of two non-collinear rays which have common endpoint is called an angle. Option A is correct. This is the definition of angle given in this book. Next MCQs. A system of measurement in which angle is measured in radian is called circular system. That is called circular system. Option D is correct. Third one. 20 degree is equal to can be written as 20 multiplied by 1 degree. 1 degree has 60 minutes. So 20 multiplied by 60 minutes gives us 1200 minutes. Option C is correct. Fourth, 3 pi by 4 radian is equal to, options are given. Let us calculate which one is correct. As we know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree, so replacing pi by 180 degree, we get 3 multiplied by 180 divided by 4. Dividing 180 by 4 gives us 45 degree, and after multiplication with 3 we get 135 degree. So option B is correct. Fifth, if tan theta is equal to under 3, then theta is equal to. Student, this is a tricky one. So let us try to sort it out. We have tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. If we put sin theta is equal to under 3 by 2 and cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, then after simplification we get under 3. As we know, under 3 by 2 is equal to the sin 60 degree and 1 by 2 is equal to the cos 60 degree, which implies that the angle in this case is 60 degree. So option C is correct. Next, fourth one, secant square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus cos square theta, or 1 minus tan square theta. Student, this is identity given in this chapter. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and it can be proved easily. So option B is correct. Seventh, 1 divided by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 divided by 1 minus sin theta is equal to, different options are given, but we have to calculate it to find the correct answer. So by taking LCM we get this, and after simplification we have 2 divided by 1 minus sin square theta, which comes out to be 2 divided by cos square theta, and that is equal to the 2 secant square theta. So the option A is correct, student, 2 secant square theta. Seventh, 1 by 2 into cosecant 45 degree. As we know that cosecant 45 degree is equal to 1 over sin 45 degree, and sin 45 is equal to the 1 over under 2, and then by taking its reciprocal we get cosecant 45 degree is equal to the under 2. Now under 2 divided by 2 can be written as under 2 into under 2, and after simplification we get 1 divided by under 2. Correct option is student B. Next one, secant theta into cot theta. As we know that the secant theta is equal to 1 over cos theta and cot theta is equal to the cos theta divided by sin theta. After cutting cos theta with cos theta we get 1 over sin theta. So the option C is correct. 9th MCQs. 10th, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. This is again identity given in the last page of this chapter. That comes out to be 1. And if we try to prove, then replacing cosecant square theta divided 1 over sin square theta and cot square theta with cos square theta divided by sine square theta. Taking LCM, we get 1 minus cos square theta divided by sine square theta. We know that 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta divided by sine square theta. After cutting, we get 1. So option B is correct, student. Answer is 1. Student, there are fill in the blanks which is a part of this chapter in question 3. Let us try to solve all of those. First part, pi radian is equal to the 180 degree because 2 pi radian is equal to the 360 degree, where 2 pi is the angle made in a complete circle and 360 degree is also an angle made in a complete circle. So by equalizing these two values, we get pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So correct answer is 180 degree. Next page. Student, the terminal side of the angle 235 degree lies in. Student, I have made an angle for your convenience. See, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and if we measure 235 degree by counterclockwise, then we end up in third quadrant. Because on y 90 degree angle on a straight line is 180 degree, and 180 degree plus 45 degree comes out to be 235 degree. Angle is made by two rays, initial ray which is fixed and the terminal ray which moves. So in this case our terminal rays comes up to be in a third quadrant. So the correct option is third quadrant. Third MCQ. The terminal side of the angle minus 30 degree lies in. Student, I have solved this fill in the blanks in the same diagram. Angle, if we measure the angle in counterclockwise direction as we did in the case of 235 degree, then its sign is positive. But if we measure the angle clockwise, then its sign comes out to be negative. In this case, we are given minus 30 degree. So by moving to the clockwise direction, minus 30 degree comes in the fourth quadrant. So our answer is fourth quadrant. Minus 30 degree lies in fourth quadrant. Area of the circular sector is equal to the 1 by 2 r square theta. Sector is shown in this diagram. Sector is the area bounded by the two radii and their corresponding arc, where theta is the central angle made by the arc. Area of the sector of the circle is given 1 by 2 r square theta. Fifth, if r is equal to 2 cm and theta is equal to 3 radian, then area of the circular sector is equal to, by applying the formula 1 by 2 r square theta and putting the values of r is equal to 2 cm and theta is equal to 3 radian, we comes up to the 6 cm square. So correct answer in this case is 6 cm square. 6. The general form of the angle 480 degree is, we can write 480 degree is equal to 360 degree plus 120 degree, and that can be written as 2 into 180 degree plus 120 degree, and now 180 degree is equal to pi radian. We can write it 2 k pi plus 120 degree, where k is equal to 1. This is the general form of the 480 degree, student. 2 k pi plus 120 degree, where k is equal to 1. 7th, if theta is equal to 300 degree, then secant minus 300 degree is equal to, we know that secant minus 300 degree is equal to secant 300 degree, and secant 300 degree is equal to 1 over cos 300 degree, and that can be written at 1 divided by cos 360 degree minus 60 degree, and that is equal to 1 over cos minus 60 degree. And as we know, cos minus 60 degree is equal to cos 60 degree. By putting the value of cos 60 degree 1 by 2, we get the answer 2. So in this case our answer comes out to be the 2. Ninth, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Student, this is again identity given in this page at the bottom. So our answer is cosecant square theta. Last, secant theta minus tan theta, it needs simplification. We can write 1 over cos theta in place of secant theta and sin theta by cos theta in place of tan theta, and by taking LCM cos theta we get 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So this is the correct answer, 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Thank you very much, student.